So you click
to lock out. That'll lock the channel.
No, I don't hear it.
You don't want to.
It's gonna be a long video, so I'll give it a minute.
Here it comes.
Hey, Kevin. Come here, kiddo.
Hey, what?
I stepped out.
Oh,
We
yeah.
stopped.
Oh, you stopped?
Checking the switch.
The one with the family of like 3 or 4 boys.
Oh, yeah, that's him. That's a guy.
Cool that it's cool in the museum day. I saw that. I think I saw that exact hyrail.
He's good at tap the switch.
Oh, someone else is gonna hire. They're checking the rails. They're gonna walk along.
We're gonna walk along here.
Is that why I'm in the car yet?
Probably.
Yeah.
I don't know if the track is broken or is it just the guy that hasn't loaded yet.
Because I know your radio came with that. It came with that, but on Amazon we found this. So
It's a bigger antenna, so it's a bigger antenna so you can. It's a bigger antenna so
no,
you
not
can
bendy.
use.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I have a big antenna in my car. It's a magnet. We took it off.
Nah, but
Car wash.
Oh,
hyrail.
The time is 11:59 and we got a hyrail here at Deerfield.
You don't expect this every day.
Nope.
Oh, Transdev. Nice. Your bro really not respect my big boy shirt. He got disrespect my. Oh, didn't respect my. Woo! Oh, buddy, stop for him. He stopped for him.
Flag it. You gotta flag it.
No, it isn't the flagging. CSX hyrail here. P622 here at Deerfield Beach Station. First video. Go. P622.
All right, clear departure, P622.
P622 is now departed. Alright, P622 is now
All right, here we go. Good day. Go Dolphins. She had a Dolphins hat on. Clear Rankin, track 1.
Okay, that was prior rail P622, and it sounds like we have a step down.
Seems like
Alright.
P623.
Alright, let's get walking. Time is 12:33 p.m. Prior rail P623. Here at Deerfield Station with the G40.
Oh, yes, let's go. Farewell 815.
If it is 8:15.
It is 8:15.
Alright, 6:23.
Oh. Mm-hmm. Oh my hand hurts. V623, clear departure. $10,008, $10,007, 507. Farewell, 8:15. Time is 1:05 p.m. Amtrak P040, 301. Is it him? Yep, it is him. Perfect.
Kevin, is it Aaron Carter?
It's not. Why would it be Aaron? No, it's not. Oh.
Alright, Amtrak 40 is now clear for departure. I think they're ready.
40, clear platform, 616, departure.
There we go. There you go.
Grr, he forgot to get horn. $3.55. That's the that was the locomotive that was on the first 40. That was Amtrak P040 with Amtrak 301. We might have some CSX action soon. Oh.
Time is hyrail.
That kind of looks like 508. Oh no. Yeah, 508. Yep, 508.
Classic.
508. Looks like a GP49. Oh wait, no, that's an F40. All right, here we go. P624. You won't do any for Here we go, Hyrail P625. F40. Nice. Hang on. Okay. Yo, happy 100th anniversary to these rails right here. But, go. Looks like 810. Yep, 810. Oh, whoa, coming in hot. Alright, clear departure, P625. It's good. There goes Hyrail P625, 810 in the lead, 506 trail.